Hey, so I thought I'd show you guys what I've been up to, because I haven't uploaded a video for a while. Got a new engine cover, painted it myself in hot house green, same colour as the car. Like how it's got SS on there. It's one of those fiberglass ones on eBay. Painted the fuse box cover. I'm yet to get a new battery. Radiator cover as well. I just had to raise the car up back to the FE2 height because it was too low and I kept scraping my exhaust and that. So I'm just finishing putting the struts back in now. I mainly wanted to show you my doors completed. Carpeted them. And the speakers look so much nicer without the grills on them, so I just got to be careful kicking them and shit. It's a bit dodgy up there where it drones, but in the groove, but that's alright, I don't give a shit. But yeah, they're looking pretty good. Painted my pillars and finally finished them. Just got to get my roof trim done in black because I've painted the sun visors, got the sunglasses holder like you saw in another video, the rear roof lights as well, and the handles up here, the roof handles are painted. What else is there to show? Footwells I've done as well at the same time. There's this side of the speakers. Pretty good, I reckon. In the boot, just charging it at the moment because I like playing my music with the car off. Relocated the battery into the wheel wells so I can get a big amp and put it at the front here. I've got to get a second sub yet. So I think that the last sound meet I did 141.7 dB with I think the driver's door was like 1/4 open. That was at 51 Hertz. Like it was peaking at 45 Hertz, and it was 140.6 dB. Doors closed, windows up, and all that. That was before I dynamated the roof. So with the doors closed, I think it did 140.9, 5 dB increase at 51 Hertz. Doors closed, windows up. So and that's getting 1,400 watts RMS after box rise, so I'm gonna get a second amp, get a new amp, looking at getting a bigger one. That's a surprise. I've got one planned, I'm gonna buy for my mate. And I just gotta get at the front here. Then eventually, or later, probably next year sometime, I'll put dual battery in the engine bay. Because I'm not sure if I'll have enough room for another battery. I don't think I will in the boot. Get an OTR, ones that sit on top of the radiator, and put a second battery here where the airbox is. I've seen that done before. I was thinking 2 yellow tops, D34s. Don't think I can fit a D31 in here. Not much space. And if I can, I'm going to be doing a few runs of welder's flex under the car from the front to the back. But I'm doing that, I don't know yet, probably later. Yeah, Bandpass, this box is still going strong. It's way better than my old one. It's maybe doubled up on the sides and the top and the front. So I wanted to show you a quick song, really low frequencies. I wanted to show that it does play low frequencies really well. probably because the seal chamber is double the size for the single sub. I hope I don't lose out on the low frequencies when I get a second sub in there and reduce the size of the seal chamber. This port is tuned to 54-ish Hertz through the middle seat, as you can see. You've probably seen in my other videos. Carpeted some things like the plastic thing here and around the port. Painted the port black. Got that little LED strip lit up inside the box every time I turn the amp on. Painted the box green because, I don't know, it looked cool. Got XXX there. So, I'll have two sitting in there one day. It goes really well. I'm loving how it sounds because it's good for daily type music. And middle seat folds down there. It's very well carried around in my back seat. Yeah, it's good for daily type music. It plays nice and high and it plays nice and low, and it's pretty loud in the low frequencies, around 30 Hertz and above. So I'll play this song real quick just to show you that it does play pretty low. It's not full bolt or anything, about a quarter of the volume. And I'm trying to cook up 30 birds. Yes, I'm worthy. I've been living in the trap my whole goddamn life. Surrounded by the J's, goddamn white. In my early 30s. Just the rear speakers are playing too, by the way. Crank it up a bit. Video. And I'm trying to cook up 30 birds. Yes, I'm worthy. So, that was not full volume. All four windows are down too, by the way. No air leaks through the boot, so I can have the boot lit up if I wanted to when I do comps and shit. Yeah, well, I'm loving it. How low it plays and how loud it plays, plus how it peaks at 51 Hertz, which is good for when I go to comps. So next video I do will probably be when I get the new amp. Yeah, I leave the 4-channel off when I have the car off because it uses too much power and the speakers use too much power. Because they're 150 watts each pair at 2 ohm, and the amp can put out up to 250. And then you start to hear them distort and shit at high volumes when the car is off, because of low voltage and voltage drop and shit. But yeah, well, thanks for watching, I guess.